Hello and welcome to Enalio. Today I'm going to show you how to mount a GoPro on an Aqualung sphera mask and Molchanovs core mask. First, pass the zip tie through the mount and make sure the head of the zip tie is on the lower side of the mount. Then, pass the zip tie in between the frame of your mask and its silicone skirt. This is where your GoPro mount will be attached. Gently but firmly, pull and tighten the zip tie and cut the excess zip tie. This step is crucial for keeping your mount securely in place. Next, place your GoPro on the mount and tighten it with a thumb screw, and you are ready to go. With these simple steps, you're all set to capture your underwater world like a pro. Make sure to double-check that everything is securely fastened before you start your aquatic journey. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Enalio for more awesome tutorials and adventures. The mount is available in the link in bio. Thank you for watching.